Grab your mug, it's a mug cake musical.
If you're craving a s'mores, make a s'mores mug cake. Grab a mug, 1/4 cup flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then comes 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tiny touch of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then comes my favorite part. I get to mix, mix, mix. And then comes 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a splash of vanilla. And then comes my favorite part. I get to mix, mix, mix. Let's gussy it up with some chocolate chips and microwave 70 seconds. And now we will top it with marshmallows. Time to give them a torch and some crushed graham crackers. And then comes my favorite part. I get to eat, eat, eat. If you want to see more mug cake musicals, I have a whole playlist. Check my description.